This is just the missing screen recording from a previous video, so I messed up to share my screen there. So let's go back, turn off the key. I'll set it to default settings. So it's usually like this. I also uncrop this again. I could work with this one, but usually I click on keyed, then I have this, a better view, and on the right side, I make sure the key is turned on, advanced B, and then I start with turning up the low cut. So, and you can see I disappear at some point, but we only go to this point where I don't disappear and the background disappears as much as possible. So somewhere around here. So there are some parts in my hair missing. And when I go now to the high cut on the right side and bring this value down, you can see that my hair gets dark again. So this is what we want. And yes, we have some issues on the left side and on the right side, and this is why we go to cropped. Oh, we can stay here. Let me see, and just click crop. And then on the left side, we crop this here a little, like probably like this, and I try to do the rest later again. We crop the right side. Let's go back to the keyer, and I try to raise the low cut even more, and it works because we have the high cut a little lower. So this is the missing part, the missing screen recording part. Everything else stays the same. Okay, we can argue a little here about this side, depending on where I am. And depending on what we really want to achieve. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.